Hey, what's up, my friend? So in today's episode, right, I want to talk about trading entries, right? The brutal truths that, nobody talks about. Okay, because often, right, traders, they fixate so much on their entries thinking that that's the only way, right, to becoming a winning trader. But hey, let me share with you some truths about your entry, right, that, nobody talks about. Number one, breakouts may fail. Alright, I don't care how good your breakout trading setup looks like. Market could be in a range for 6 months, forms of tight volatility, contraction pattern. Looks like it's getting ready to break out, and it does. Next thing you know, it reverses and ends up being a false breakout. And that is highly possible, right? So don't rule that out where breakouts may fail, no matter how good it looks. Number two, pullbacks may never come. So market could be in an uptrend, right? Trending higher and you're waiting for a pullback because you don't want to chase the markets. And guess what? The pullback may never come and the stock continues to rally another 100% higher without you because you are waiting for a pullback. And that could happen, right? Pretty often, especially if the market is in a strong uptrend. Number three, pullbacks may become a reversal. So let's say, you're looking to buy a stock, waiting for a pullback towards the 50-period moving average, right? The price retraces to the 50-period moving average and then bam, right? One piece of bad news hits the market and it just slices through the 50 MA and the pullback ends up becoming the reversal. And the worst thing of all is that, you went long on a 50 MA only to get caught, right, on the downswing, on the bad news, on the reversal. Yes, that could happen as well. Fourth thing, confirmation may be too late. So maybe you're waiting for all the stars to align, for the technical analysis to align with the fundamental analysis, and for that to align with sentiment analysis. You're waiting for the chart to be bullish, 3 days in a row, waiting for fundamentals to be rosy, waiting for sentiment analysis to be bullish. And by the time that happens, then you go long, then you buy. Problem with that is that by the time all the stars align, by the time you get all the confirmation in the world, that's where, there's no one left to buy and the market collapses. And you can, again, right, you get caught, right, on the wrong side of the move. Okay, so that's where, confirmation may be too late. So at this point, right, it might seem that, man, trading entries, there's no way to nail it perfectly. And you're absolutely right. There's no way to nail your entries 100% perfectly, right? But here's the good news, in a way, right? You don't need perfect entries to make it as a trader, right? Take, for example, a system like trend following. It has a winning rate of about 30-40%. And, it still gathers, right, so much money, right, in the hedge fund industry. Millions, if not billions of dollars. Why is that? A trading system with such a poor entry, a poor winning rate, but they still, get so much money to manage. And the reason is this, is that, yes, your entry might suck. You might have a 40% winning rate. But if your average winners is larger than your average losers, you can still make money in the long run, even with a poor entry. For example, let's say you have a trading system that makes money 40% of the time. But each time you win $3. And each time you lose $1. You can see that in the long run, you'll still make money. Okay, so don't get too fixated on your entries. Yes, they are important, but they're not essential, right, to make it as a trader. They're just one part of the equation, right? Don't neglect other parts of the equation, which includes your risk management, to make sure that, you don't blow up your account just because of a few losing trades. You don't neglect let's say, your trade management. What if the market moves in your favor? How would you, exit your winning trades? Will you be using a trailing stop loss? Will you be using a fixed target, right? What if the market moves against you? Where is your stop loss, right? At what point, or rather at what level on the chart, right, will you call it quits and exit the trade, right, to protect your account and to live to fight another day? So these are all important questions, right, that you must also answer besides your entry point. Okay, so with that said, right, let's do a quick recap. Trading entries, the truth is this, right? Number one, breakouts may fail. Number two, pullbacks may never come. Number three, pullbacks might become reversal. Number four, confirmation might be too late, right? But the good news is, again, you don't need perfect entries to make it as a trader. All right, so with that said, I wish you good luck in good trading. I will talk to you soon.